Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. This is a quick video about the unboxing of this particular book. Don't look at the other one. Basically, this book is been. I ordered this book around after ordering those 5 ones. And this is a really quick unboxing of this particular book. Why I ordered this one is because my favorite YouTuber PweDiePie suggested this in his first book review. I was really fascinated about this one, and it was not of much price, so I ordered it. So let's quickly unbox it. Let's see how it looks. I have already looked at it, but for the sake of video, I just repacked it, and it's a really thick book, one of the thickest. One of the longest book which I would ever read. Don Quixote is the name, and it's over 1,000 pages. You can see it's a really thick book. I love this book, not because what is inside. I still don't know what is inside, but I do know some of the things. The story is about a person named Don Quixote. He's the guy with his fellow traveler. He goes to many places and talks to people. He suffers a lot of criticism and things like that. So this is a story about him, and it's a really thick book, as you can see. So it won't be very soon. I will be posting the review about this one, but it will take a lot of time, after I guess around 6 to 7 months to complete this book, because I'm not going to read it continuously. I will do it along with the other short books which I regularly read. But God, this is beautiful, man. So that's it for today. I'll see you around. Bye.